Good morning. My name is Ahmad Yakzan. I'm from the American Dream Law Office. I just wanted to come up today and just talk to all of our followers on Facebook. We have a lot of exciting news. We open an office in Washington, D.C. Hopefully we'll have a couple of offices overseas popping up very soon. We are ready to help you if you're in the United States or outside the United States. The number is 1-888-963-7326, or if you're calling us from outside the United States, +1727 317-9757. And I want to talk today about investment visas to my friends from outside the United States who follow our page. There's a bunch of visas that we can use to help you. The first one is a B1, B2 visa. It's just very simple. A lot of you might have it. It's the visa that a lot of people use to come here and visit the United States. The visitor visa is actually two parts. It's a B1 and B2. So if you have the B1, B2 visa, you can come here for business or for pleasure to be here in the United States. So if you come here to the United States to do business, for example, if you want to open a branch for your company here in the United States, you can come on the B1 part of the B1, B2, and then stay here, talk to people, manage contracts, negotiate contracts. It will not count against you if you actually do that under the B1 part of the B1, B2. The other visas that I love to do is the A2 visa. And these visas are actually based on treaty between the United States and your country of citizenship. For example, almost all of Europe has that visa. So if you're France, the UK, Germany has an E2 visa. Also overseas, if in the Middle East, for example, Middle East, Far East, I know Pakistan has an E2 visa. You can, in South Korea, Hong Kong, which is not the mainland. So if you want to come here and open a company and you're a citizen of one of those countries, you can come here. The entry level is actually very low. There is no minimum for those visas. So for example, if you're a professional, you can literally have a couch and a laptop and open one of those companies and get one of those visas. So it's E1 or E2 visa. So it's two parts. The E1 visa is for international trade. If you're doing 1% in international trade out of your gross income, then we can get you the E1 visa. The E2 visa, you come here, you invest your money in a company that you want to oversee, and then we will use that company to get you an E2 visa. Everyone in your family can come here. Your spouse and your children, everybody under 21 can come here, go to school, do all of these things. You have to renew the visa every 2 years, so we'll help you with the initial, and then we will apply for the extensions as you need them. The really nice thing about this, we can do it here in the United States, or we can do it while you're overseas. We find you a company, and then we can apply for the visa straight with your embassy. You don't have to come here first. Also, we have the L1 visa in the United States. The L1 visa is for international executives or managers. If you own a company overseas, you want to come open a branch here in the United States, then we'll do a transfer. We'll open a company here. You'll have employees. You have to have employees overseas and employees here in the United States. So we'll use these two companies to actually get you an L1 visa, and that visa leads to a permanent resident, or what people know as a green card, down the road after we actually meet some requirements. The last one I want to talk to you about today is EB5 visa. The EB5 visa, a lot of people refer to it the $500,000 green card. It's a little more complicated than that, but that you can get permanent residence instead of just getting a temporary visa to visit the United States. So what we will do in that, there are also two parts to that. Number one, we can apply through direct investment. We'll find you a company, or we will find you an investment idea. You'll come here, put the $500,000 in your own business, run it, manage it, do whatever you want, and then get a permanent resident card using that. That's number one. Number two, we can do it through an investment in an investment center that's sponsored by the U.S. government. That's okay by the U.S. government to receive international investments. We call those regional centers, and there's more than like 200 of them. So whatever you want to do, We can find you something. If you just want to invest your money and not do anything, not have to work, go sit in Miami Beach or Daytona Beach and sip a drink on the beach every single day. It doesn't matter. You'll get your permanent residence. The nice thing about these is that you actually can pool all the investors together. You have to have 10 workers for one investor for you to be able to apply for this. So if you just don't care, you want to apply for your green card and just not do it and just get the proceeds from your investments, that's fine too. We don't have to work. So we can find a lot of things for you if you want to come here to the United States. You do need to call or go to the website to set up an appointment to speak to me. Unfortunately, I can't just pick up the phone all the time and speak to people. So go to AmericanDreamLawOffice.com. You can schedule a consultation on there. There is $125 charge for it. The $125 will be taken out of whatever I end up charging you for the case, so you won't lose the money. If there's something I can do for you, and if there's nothing I can do for you, all you'll spend is $125. I promise. I try to keep my consultation fees very low to help people out. The number is +1727 317 9757, or if you're calling from the United States, is 1-888-963-7326. We do have some numbers that are posted on our website, a free number for Egypt and a free number for Jordan, and I do a lot of visas from Egypt and Jordan. So if you wanna let us know how we can help, I would really appreciate it. Go to the website. Again, the website is AmericanDreamLawOffice.com, and we can sit down and talk about whatever we can help you with. Thank you so much, and thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to share it, you're more than welcome to, and I hope to be able to help you get your American dream soon. Thanks again.